Hi guys, it's Thomas here from COTbase.com. Welcome to the latest COT review, the 24th report of this year. Again, for those of you who are new to COT or Commitments of Traders, check out our guide videos to the weekly review or the more detailed What is COT analysis video. Okay, as usual, we're going to start with changes in commercials positions. There we go. And start off with the 5-year notes. We had a 58% buy signal there. We have a chart here and opening the 5-year frame. We can even see better what's going to happen or not. Who knows? One thing's for sure, whenever commercials were at such high levels, we're talking about this 2-year period, 2.5 year, that sort of meant a bottom in the prices, a possibility to go long. Of course, we're relatively high here, so going long from here could be risky, or I don't know, call it whatever you want. One thing's for sure, that's what this buy signal tells me, but maybe it's not the market that has the most potential now. So let's just move on and check out cocoa, where we had a sell signal, a 19% sell signal, combined, as we can see here, with a 31% sell signal from small speculators. So that could actually mean that another turn down in prices could happen. I don't know. You decide, but let's move on and check out the lean hogs, where we also had a sell signal. And we can see that large speculators turned long here. So I always tell you that trend is your friend, and large speculators being net long and being the participants of the market who usually follow the trend, and that's one thing to take into consideration. But let's have a look at the 5-year chart and see if we can get a better understanding of the market from that. Well, okay, again, not the market where I can find that huge opportunity that we're looking for when we're analyzing COTs, but that's how the 5-year chart looks like. Let's go on and check out the COT extremes and large speculators. Okay, we can see that we had an all-time signal in the dollar index. So let's open that market and right away open the 5-year chart. There we go. So going back to the beginning of this year, actually the end of the last year, we can see whenever commercials were at such levels, it sort of meant a top in the prices. So I wouldn't be surprised if prices drop a little bit from here. Although having large speculators above zero line means that the long-term trend is up. Okay, moving on, let's check out the COT extremes and small speculators. Oh, here we have the orange juice, one of my favorites these days, with a 570 week extreme in the market. Okay, let's open the 5-year chart and see what we have. Well, yeah, we had a very decent price decline from around 230 down to 100, and now we're back at 110. If you look at the COT picture here, it's definitely a buy signal. I'm not saying the market can't go further down, but still, I think from all the markets that we checked today, I see most potential in the orange juice market. Commercials are relatively high, very relatively buying the market. Yeah, they can go further up. We've still got movement higher. I would say that the largest signal for me, for the 3 participants, are the small speculators being so pessimistic about the market. Even in the 5-year frame, we can't see anything as low as this. But I mean, still, it could be a great opportunity. I think that's going to be all for this week. I'm not going to show you any more markets. I'm sorry, but if you want to check them out, you can do so, and the charts are free. check them out. But if you're interested in a more detailed analysis, you can check them out at our subscription service, and you can find other type of CO2 reports, CITs, TIF, disaggregated, new types of reports coming up from CFTC, and you can add great functions that can help you analyze the commitments of traders report. So thank you for your attention, and I hope I'll see you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.